Hello, so today we have a really chill video for you guys. I have the Fuji XE4 and the Fuji 18mm 1.4. So we're just gonna play a bunch of chill music from our new music partner, Upbeat. They have a free subscription service for you video creators out there, which is an amazing resource. Check out the link below. There's also a premium version that gives you access to the rest of their library, but it's gonna be an awesome resource for you guys. So enjoy the music, enjoy the chill photos, and see you in the next video.
Yeah.
Here's my first photography of the day. Ooh, that's nifty.
What sim are you using?
It's the same one we used last time, I believe.
It looks good.
Yeah, it's sweet. Auto everything because I'm a son of a bitch.
Put it up to your eye.
Yeah. Yeah, this is cool. This is interesting. I like this. This one's funny. In the jungle, mighty jungle. Let's see how sharp it is up close. What the minimum focus is.
Minimum focus.
Yeah. Babies that read, that's impressive.
Yeah.
The light in here is just so prime today. Soft. Hi. It's a weird stump. I don't understand what is going on here. I'm so confused by this. That is so strange. What is that stump? So yeah, maybe we could do you standing here.
Stand in?
Yeah, I want to do like 1.4, 2.8, and 5.6. 1.4. Now here's 2.8, and then 5.6.
Nice.
Yeah. It is a pretty creamy little lens. It's just cool. I like this. What if you stood like here?
Okay.
And then see if you're like, do like a profile shot?
You want maybe?
Nah. And then just look like kind of down there. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, that's kind of sweet. That's kind of neat.
Yeah. Is that 1.4?
Mm-hmm. Did you want to head down this way or?
Sure.
Actually, what's down there?
Oh, dude, that's a really nice light.
Oh, that's cool. We can use this video as a chance to just fully explore this place. Did we just become worst friends?
I think we're enemies now. This whole hallway is gonna be pretty dope.
Oh, that is really cool. It's like that scene from
I know.
that Chris Nolan movie, Inception.
Oh, that's not what I was thinking, but you're right. I was thinking of the scary movie, the horror movie.
Oh,
That's
The
not
Shining?
The Shining.
I've never seen that, but I've seen that shot.
I've seen The Shining.
Dude, yeah, let me get a shot of you here. It's sick.
Of me here?
Yeah. What if you're just like sitting on the ground, like just looking at that wall? Or just looking at your camera? Yeah, that's cool. That's sick. Cool. That's awesome. It's cool. There's just so much space in this building.
This is.
Some cool lights in there. Oh, that was cool.
You get it?
Yeah, yeah. Well, I got like the doors opening with the light peeking through.
That's kind of cool.
Dude, these lights are cool. Wild. Just like weird pieces of glass. Interesting. Wait, look up again at that. Let's see if I can get a... Fade away.
Cool shot you've ever taken?
Oh yeah, that's kind of cool. What? Will you go stand in that like rectangle? Yeah, that's cool. That's interesting.
All the different lights.
Yeah.
Daisies?
Mm-hmm. Ooh.
Go stand in the center of this art.
Is this a good area?
It might be cool.
Yeah, who knows?
Or not.
Oh, dude, let's try this. Just get some crazy bokehs. So I'm standing like right there. I like how they have selfie spots marked. Let's see what this looks like. This stupid center thing.
I know what you mean, that focus. Can you tap focus?
Oh yeah, I can. Oh, that's actually dope. Holy shit. It's so hard to focus on your eye because your glasses. Can you take them off really quick? There you go. It's pretty cool though.
I'm gonna try with the 50.
Is it cool?
It's pretty cool.
Oh, that was sick!
Yeah?
Dude, can I get a shot of you standing here?
Yeah,
Let's see what this looks like.
I'm just glad.
Actually, it's actually pretty sick. Kinda cool. That was actually kind of sweet.
Here, let me try. I want to shoot you.
Yeah.
You're prettier, man. Let's face it.
No.
Let's face it.
Is it interesting?
No, it's not. It's crazy what compression does.
Yeah. Yeah, I want to try that shot on you with this lens really quick. We can do a flip-flop.
Yeah.
God, this camera's so... Oh my god, dude. Yeah, this is dope. Yeah, that's pretty freaking cool. Go for it.
Don't worry. We're gluttons for photos.
Yeah.
Do you guys want a photo, like, you want us to take it of both of you, or you want selfie?
No, that'd be great.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Oh, you want to do it?
Sure.
There you go.
There we go. Do we want tall, wide, both?
Both.
Okay, cool. All right, we're starting tall. Here we go. Smile. Okay, now we're going to go wide. I'm going to get a little closer for this one. All right, smile. Absolutely beautiful.
Awesome. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
of course.
Love it. Appreciate it.
Have a good one. Cool. You don't have to credit me if you don't want to.
Yeah, no, I would love to.
We make YouTube videos about like photography stuff. So my channel is just called Zach Mayfield.
Is that
Yeah.
what it's called on Instagram?
Yep, Zach Mayfield on Instagram and YouTube. Yeah, let me get a shot of you guys. If you want to stand like right here facing me.
I got like so much crap in my pocket.
Here, yeah, take a big step forward like right here. There we go, and get nice and close. Get right in there under his arm. There we go. And I can send this to you guys on Instagram.
Sure.
You're just looking right into the lens here. Boom, got it.
Awesome. Thank you so
There you guys
much.
are.
Aw, that's sweet.
Cool. Shooting with the XE4 and the 18F 1.4 was a really good time. Just walking around here, got to meet some folks, take some really chill photos. Hopefully you enjoyed the tunes from Upbeat. Check out the link in the description if you want some free music for your videos. Me and Connor were kind of joking around that compression is so much better than shooting wide. It's just such a challenge for me to frame stuff up with a really wide lens. I liked getting closer to subjects, like taking a portrait of Connor up close and getting like that wide angle background. And the 1.4 gives you the really creamy bokeh, which is really fun. But something about shooting with this 50 f1 is also just freaking amazing because the compression just, I don't know. We're both suckers for depth of field and compression, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you want more Fuji juice in your life, this is the channel to check out. Also Connor's channel and my personal channel. It's just Fuji Juice Nation. So snag a hat below if you want to support the cult, and subscribe to join my camera camp and join the Discord and do all that stuff. Okay, text me when you get home. I love you. See ya.